How's it going, gents? Here we are today. That's a new cop car, BMW 5 Series, pretty cool. Oh, we're going, let's go. ToyRun 2019, I'm on the KTM. I got Owlie on the side, tinsel. We got a llama, an alpaca. There's my wife, she's Santa as well. We're all Santa. Let's go. Jump on, wifey. Ready to go on the ToyRun. All right, 2019 Christmas ToyRun. Got the toys strapped on, ready to go. So this is a charity ride for the kids. Another year, another freaking motorcycle. Tom's gonna be broke. Every year it's a more expensive bloody freaking motorcycle. Here's the last years I've done it. Never ends, mate. Go back over the years and see what motorcycles I've ridden. But this is a charity ride for the children, the kiddies. 2016 ToyRun on a different bike, because I'm on a bike, like different bike, like every year pretty much. We'll go through what bikes I've been on. And every year it seems like I'm on a different motorcycle. Maybe we'll go back and we'll show previous 2 years of my 636, my oldest 1000RR. Yeah, I'm on a different bike this year. So what this is a charity ride. Next year I will definitely be on the same motorcycle. I love this KTM 790, so surely I'm not going to get a new motorcycle. We'll see. I'm not promising anything anymore. There's Tom on his new Indian FTR 1200 carbon fiber with gold handlebars. There's Julian on his 790, 701. I'm on a 790. I got to ride that Indian, man. Everyone's saying it's freaking fantastic. That one's got some very nice SC Project exhausts on it, so it sounds good too. There's your traditional Indian with the big freaking tassels and everything. You look at that Indian, you're like, holy crap, it's a good looking bike. He's got the matching jacket and everything. Let's have a look at this Indian, man. Look at that thing. Looks good with the gold bars. That's not standard. He put the pro tapers on it, but beautiful looking thing. Sounds good too with the SC. I keep reaching for the clutch and it's actually just tinsel. But luckily, this has got a quick shifted down on the KTM 790, so I don't even need the clutch. I'm also wearing my, it's kind of warming up today, so I'm wearing my summer Komini jacket. Normally I'm in my, as you've probably heard, my Revit Sand 3 adventure gear, but it's all covered in mud right now, so, and because it's going to be quite warm today, I'm wearing my Komini summer jacket. It looks like this. It has titanium shoulder pads. It's a very nice jacket and kind of not too expensive. Komini gave it to me to test out. Brendan's got the adventure gear and I've got some of the road bike gear. One thing I do like about the KTM 790 Adventure R is that it's very good for attaching presents and other stuff. Toys on it. I've got the racks and everything. The Krieger platform racks, very good for attaching presents and tinsel. Tristan on his trusty Ducati, he's got the one pannier on. It's Tristan's girlfriend's CB650R with Akrapovic exhaust. It's very nice, man, very nice bike. I like the headlight on it. LED ring headlight, the little screen's good on the front as well. Having a tinsel just surrounding my bike bosses and throttle, not the best idea. I'm going to reach for the brake and end up getting tinsel and crash soon. That's my old exhaust on that 636. The M4 GP exhaust. It's nice, man. Let's go up next to Tristan, eh? The Raven R1. Looks good in that colour, man. Same exhaust as my MT10. Stay away from my little... I was kind of falling off that before. Look at the Santa bear on the back. Not having the best day. Africa Twin set up to be single-handed. I guess the Africa Twin's good for that, being a DCT automatic, ridden one-handed. That'll be me, man. If I ever lose a limb or something, you ain't stopped me from riding. I'll figure it out. Lucky when I broke my leg that I broke my right leg, so I could kind of still ride a motorcycle. I rode a motorcycle, the Elsa on the front of this KLR 650 strapped onto the front. When I broke my leg, it was my brake leg, so I could still ride a motorcycle. Like, it's less than a week after my surgery, I think I was riding a motorbike. Elsa on the front of the KLR. That's gold. Still think the Ducati Hyper Motard SP, still one of the best looking motorbikes there are. Beautiful looking bike. Single-sided swing arm, all-in suspension. Beautiful looking bike. It's got the one pannier on the side. The girlfriend's beating him. That looks good on this side with the SE Projects. Oof, that's a good looking exhaust. It's kind of like the Monster exhaust. Very nice looking bike, the new Indian, man. I actually really like that, man. Everyone who's seen it has said it's wicked looking, and everyone who's ridden it has said it's amazing to ride, so I should probably ride one. Alright, pull it into the midway point at the pub. Coming up and over. That's what I got a KTM Adventure for, man. Adventuring all the time. All right. Rolling on back out on the freeway and off to the meet point to hand our toys in. Say goodbye to little Owlie and goodbye to little alpaca or llama. I don't know what the difference is. What's the difference between an alpaca and a llama? I'm sure there's probably some things, like the difference of a crocodile and an alligator. Go, 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 go. To beat the 701, man. Let's hear this Indian, eh? There you go. There you go. Sounds good, the Indian. 790 isn't that loud. Still got my cat. Need to decat it to get some serious noise out of it. The Guzzy. The Guzz. Just had a police officer zoom past us and go in front with his lights on. We're getting an escort. Police escort. Santa has got to deliver presents. And they're still nervous being around a police officer. I'm not doing anything wrong. Bike's completely legal. Under the speed limit. Still nervous. Come on, mate, run the red light. You're getting instructed by a police officer to run the red light because we've got an escort. Oh, yeah. Oh, wow, there's quite a lot of friggin' people. MCAS Keilor is our destination this time. Thanks, copper. There is a sheesh ton of motorbikes at MCAS. Thanks, champ. I didn't think there'd be a bigger turnout. Where do we hand in the toys, man? That's the important thing. Where do we hand in the toys? There we go. 2019 ToyRun complete. Didn't rain. Toys are still on the back. The 701 didn't explode. Didn't do a rocker arm. Hey, little Santa. Hey. Hey. Legos. Undoing the straps. I'm smart. I brought. Last time I cable tied everything on, I couldn't get it off to give to the kids, so brought side cutters. This year we have Duplo. We have a llama. Is it a llama or an alpaca? What's the difference between a llama and an alpaca?
When it comes to toys, I think llamas have longer snouts.
Longer snouts. How long is his snout?
That's an alpaca.
That's an alpaca? Alright. And we have a
of all the alpaca ones.
we have an owl, which looks like a moonkin from World of Warcraft, so
sure some little kitty will like this.
Some little kitty will
2 to
like it.
5.
Hand in your little toys. Off you go.
They don't like plush animals, man. We're giving them plush animals.
Here you go. Bye bye, Allie. Bye bye, Becca. Yay. I miss him. What'd you guys get? Lego City.
Lego City and Meccano.
Oh.
Yeah,
A roast chicken
I'm sorry,
set.
she's about to ruin somebody's Christmas.
That's what Kathy would want.
And they're gonna be like eating it.
The roast chicken set.
She has an
Someone not
obsession.
get it this year, so I'll get something.
She has an obsession with those little wooden toys from Kmart.
They are
She
pretty
really
cool. I
does.
like
They're
those
just
things.
gonna be hitting it like
That's what you would do. All right, let's go to MCS. Waste some money.